everyone, Jess from Jelly Digital again, and I am here to give you a really quick video on I don't know how to explain, like the hierarchy of your account, I guess. So, you hear things about campaign, ad group, ads, but kind of where does it all fit? What's the structure? And understanding the structure kind of allows you to grasp the concept of each kind of part of your Google Ads account. So, here I have a live campaign. It's only been running for a couple of days. And what I'm going to do is take you through a document that I have, and then we'll come back and we'll kind of step through the different components, I guess, of your account so you can put it into practice, I guess. So let's have a look. So I've created a course. It's for beginners to allow you to understand how to set up a basic search campaign. This is just a document from the course. But if we have a look here, ad account hierarchy, that's how I explained it. I don't really know. It just kind of allows you to get your mind right. When you start something new and you've got no idea and you're like, but how does that link to what? And just let me get my head around it. And this is kind of what I feel will help. So you create your Google Ads account. And then within your account, you set up campaigns. So you might have one campaign, you've got a business. I think I use plumbing business as an example. We have a plumbing business and you want to set up a campaign, you want phone calls, you want form submissions, you want to book in people for broken toilets, whatever your jam is. So you will set up a campaign. That campaign is going to try and get your client or your business, phone calls and forms. So in your overall campaign, you assign a budget, you assign location, so where in your campaign, you'll have ads. Where are your ads going to show? You will assign an ad schedule. And I didn't write it here, but also a bidding strategy. So campaign level, you assign a budget, location, time, and how you're going to bid. Now, underneath your campaign, you will have what we call ad groups. And in every ad group, you will have a set of keywords and you will have ads. So what does that mean? In a particular campaign, you may have one ad group, you may have 50 ad groups. I like to have ad groups based on themes because in each ad group, you will have a set of keywords, and those keywords, so when someone goes into Google and they type a search query like book a plumber, that will trigger an ad. And so your ad group contains keywords that will trigger ads. So you may have different services as a plumber, and you may have toilet fixing plumbing and kitchen plumbing. And so it won't make sense to have the same ad for kitchen and toilet because there's two very different needs. So you might want to separate it out by ad groups. So this first ad group might be kitchen plumbing. Ad group 2 might be toilet plumbing. In ad group 1, I will have all of my keywords that relate to kitchen plumbing and ads that say, get your kitchen fixed. Ad group 2, I'll have toilet plumbing, all of toilet plumbing near your keywords kind of thing. And every ad group will have an ad that relates to the toilet. Now, you can't set location targeting for each individual ad group. So you need to make sure that you design your campaign so that it will target the same area. It makes sense. So you're not going to have an ad group that says plumbing, Florida, plumbing, New York, and then you're targeting, just the Florida area, or targeting Sydney, plumbing Sydney, plumbing Brisbane, but you're targeting New South Wales. It doesn't make sense because the location dictates the entire campaign. So if we have a look here, Dave's Plumbing has created a Google Ads account. They have an emergency plumbing campaign. So they're wanting to get emergency plumbing clients. They've set a budget, $20 per day. They've said they want it in the Sydney area. They want it Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So everything in that campaign is going towards the $20 budget. It's geared towards Sydney, and it's Monday to Friday. I did emergency plumbing, and for some reason I put 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Like, I feel like emergencies are going to be like midnight. Anyway, and I've put 24-hour emergency, so that doesn't really make sense, does it? But anyway, it's an example. So then we have ad group 1 is 24-hour emergency. And the keywords in this ad group are emergency plumber near me, emergency plumber Sydney. And each ad will be based on these keywords. Ad group 2 is plumbing near me. So completely different keywords. And then the keywords here, plumber near me, plumbing near me, and they would trigger these the second set of ads. The reason why we try and make each ad group and the keywords within that ad group really similar, following a similar theme, is because you need to put the keywords into your ad copy. So you need to, if you put emergency plumber near me in the ad that I create for this ad group, I need to say emergency plumber near me. Otherwise, Google will say, well, your ad is not relevant to your keywords. You don't mention the keywords anywhere. So you can imagine if you have 20 different keywords saying kitchen, plumber, toilet, floor, electricity, blah, blah, blah. You have to say all of those words into your ad. You have to put it all into your ad copy. It won't make any sense. And if it doesn't make sense, someone's not going to click on it, and you're not going to get any conversions. So we have your account, your campaign, we have different ad groups, and then we have your keywords and different ads within each ad group. I hope that makes sense, but we can have a look at it now in action. So if we head over here, I'm in an account right now, which is live. I can go to the left-hand side, ad groups. If I click on here, I can see all of the different ad groups, and you can see there's a different name for each ad group because it's targeting a different theme. If I click on the left, I'll click on one ad group. In the ad group, I have my keywords, and then I go to the left, and I have the ad. So my keywords in this particular ad group will target this ad. Now, the stats are pretty not great at the moment because it just started. But the keywords that we just looked at here will target that ad. And if I click on this little black arrow here, it lists all of the different ad groups that I have here. And hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you to understand how your account works. If you want to change location, budget, bidding, ad schedule, you have to do a campaign, and it will filter down to all of the ad groups underneath that campaign. So if you want to target something different, or you want an ad to run at a particular time different to the rest of the campaign, you would have to set up a separate campaign. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, pop it below. If you have any suggestions on videos, please let me know. If you would love for us to run ads for your business to get you as many phone calls and conversions as possible, let me know.